Look at, like, petaled open like a spring flower. And then, looks like we hit our berm right here. Okay, it looks like we went through this railroad tie and then it just kind of scooted over here, and there is the slug. I bet that sucker's hot. Yeah, it's hot, but it's, oh! Okay, it's hotter than I thought it was. Look at all this weight it retained. That is still a huge lead ball. So we're locked. Nope. Dang. Let's try again. Come on, baby. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, now it's just broken. Dang it. I didn't manage to hit the handle or the keypad, but we did manage to disable the safe.